Hey guys, Tranquil Day here, back to the video. And before, I miserably failed that flying plane. So now, I'm trying it on my iPad, which is, you see I'm level 8 in the upper corner. Friday, and we have a co-pilot here. So, this is going to be criticizing me and how I fly. So, we're going to do a free flight. And then, I don't believe we have an airbus A380 on this, unfortunately. We do have a Boeing 747, which is the next best thing. So we will find the Boeing 747, which is the next best thing. And we're going to be flying. So, to fly this, I don't need to press the buttons, I just need to lift up. So, lift it up. Let's recalibrate with what we're liking. We can cut rooms and corners we can do. Love that. So, throttle. I like putting it on 2 because it goes faster. So you put it on 1 to go. Increasing speed. Okay, and V2, V1, now V2, and that was also successful. I need to recalibrate this because it's going up a lot. So, we're going to get passengers. And the gears up, and we're going double speed. Nice and smooth. I'll zoom this to less. Unfortunately with this game we can't get like real altitude. So I can't go up to 30,000 feet. Or just in the game. We are very low. And we are nowhere near the airport. Okay, steady the plane out. I'd like to put it on 1. We're going to crash this plane. Landing gears have been deployed. Woo, 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 okay.
Very late.
That's really proper. Okay. So obviously, I miserably failed. I mean, I was doing very well. I think we need to recalibrate this again. So this time we're lined up much better. Yeah, okay. Let's increase throttle. Okay. Ooh, okay. That was not professional. These people are having a heart attack. Okay, landing. Much better. And like butter. Okay, now we have passengers. So 286 passengers mountainside to Cliff Airport. Let's check that. We now have 264 passengers on board. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We're gonna have a nice smooth flight. That's pretty good. So, thank you guys for flying Carter Airways. We have your co-pilot here.
Hello, I'm Vincent.
And hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for flying here. Please kick the person out now. Thank you for flying those Carter Airlines. We are now taking off. Brakes. Okay. V1, V2, lift off. Landing gears up. we're having a smooth flight. Now we do have passengers here, so I'm going to fly a bit more smoother and not take risk. We need to recalibrate this again. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached our cruising altitude. We should recalibrate this again. Okay, so we're having a nice, good flight. While our co-pilot seems to be playing The Sims. We're having a nice flight. Our speed is 297. Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing to sink. Bring the gears down. We have two gates. Oh! I'm not very good at turning. Turning is definitely my weak point. I don't really like this airport a lot. And every time I go to the airport, I just make the same mistake. I'm left of the runway, and it's impossible for me to get right in the runway. Okay. So the beginning of runway was starting to look to our right, you will see our runway. Let's pray to God. No, I think we're doing well. Put it on 1. Because I have more control of the plane. Okay, that miserably distracted me. Sorry for that. Ooh, we're not making it. We're not making it. It was a phone call. It distracted me. Because we were perfect. We were legit perfect. Okay, so phone call never happened. Yeah, stability. People who fly mountains. Well, 264 people. We're very low. That was perfect. That was perfect. Yep, but third time to jump. Ladies and gentlemen, time is now. Time is now 5 o'clock. We hope you enjoy landing. And we're not making it. Fourth time to jump.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was nice knowing you.
Fourth time to jump. Fourth time to jump. Need to recalibrate this again. Okay. No, I feel good about this. Okay. We are a bit low. It's just a bit low. But an experienced pilot knows what to do when we're a bit low. Maybe not like that, about fourth time most of the time. So thank you guys for flying. This is us for this video. I'm gonna go watch Shazam. So we hope you guys ready. We land the plane 2 times. So okay. But before I want to do the fastest plane. Probably the fastest plane in the game. Ooh, and we're at nighttime. And now let's recalibrate this again. Very fast landing. I think I like to do a stall. So this is stall. This is stalling. That explosion. It is possible to land on stuff like this. Okay? I landed it.